In this video, we're going to talk about divide by two-digit number. When we say divide by two-digit number, means our divisor will be a two-digit number. For example, we have 12, 1, two-digit. Now, first of all, whenever we have a big numbers like that and we want to divide it, we should write it as a long division first. So I'll write the long division symbol, then 354 divide by 12. Now, what you should remember is that we have steps to long division. First step is to divide. We go over the steps one by one. Okay, to divide. Now, whenever we have a two-digit divisor, we will directly take two digits from the dividend. So I will take 35 now, and we say 35 divided by 12. Now, when the numbers are big, actually that one is not that big, but when they are big, we have 87, something like that. We will cover the last digit of the number that we are dividing. For example, now we are dividing 35. I'm gonna cover the 5, which is only 3 left. Then for the 12, the divide is the same thing. I'm gonna cover the 2, which is only 1 left. Now we will say 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, second step is multiply. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. Now, after the multiplication, we have to check for something. What do we check? We check this number, the product that we get. Is it divisible? Can we do it? For example, now we have 35 and below we have 36. We cannot subtract that. Since we cannot subtract that, we will take away 1 from the quotient, which is 3 becomes 2. Then we multiply it again. Now 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 2. Now we will check again. We have 35 minus 24. Can we do that? Yes. So we will proceed and subtract it. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So our remainder is 11. Then, after the subtraction, we will check again for something. What do we check? We will check that one, the remainder. The remainder cannot be bigger or equal to the divisor. It always should be less. For example, when we see that 11 is less than 12, so we will proceed to the next step, which is bring down. Now I'm gonna bring down the 4. Same thing. We have 114 divided by 12. Now, cover the last digit. Cover the last digit. It will be 11 divided by 1. 11 divided by 1 is 11. But since we have only one place value, we cannot write 11. So we will write the greatest one-digit number that we can write, which is 9. Now, 9 times 12. I'm gonna do it here. 9 times 2, 18. Raise 1. 9 times 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Now, I'm gonna write this here. 108. Okay. Now we will check. Can we do that? Yes, because 114 is less than 108. So we subtract it. Then 4 minus 8 we cannot. We take 1 from that. This one will be 0. This one will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our quotient, let me write it here. 354 divided by 12 is 29. And our remainder is 6. Okay, now the second example. That one, we have 972 divided by 32. First, remember, we will write it as a long division. 972 divided by 32. Okay, same thing, we have a 2-digit divisor, so we directly take 2 digits from the dividend, so it will be 97 divided by 32. This was the first step that we should divide. So I'm gonna cover the last digit here again. It will be only 9, and cover the last digit here. It will be only 3. Now we say 9 divided by 3, which is 3, because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then second step, we multiply it. We say 3 times 32. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3, 9. Now we check, can we do that? 97 minus 96? Yes. Since we can do that, means the 3 is okay for now. So we subtract it. That one will be 1. This one will be 0. Before bringing down the next digit, still we will check, is our remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So the 3 is correct. Then we will proceed and bring down the next digit. Now, when we bring down, we will repeat the steps again. So we divide it. Whenever you bring down a digit, you divide. We don't care even if we have a 0 here. Now we have 12 divided by 32. Since our dividend, now that one is not a remainder anymore, it's a dividend because we are dividing. Since our dividend is less than the divisor, we cannot divide, and if we cannot divide, we just add a 0 to the quotient. Then we don't multiply it. We check our dividend again. Can we, or do we have any more digits to bring down to help to divide it? Since we don't have anything else, so we leave it like that, and we say our quotient is 30 and our remainder is 12. Okay, again, we have 201 divided by 11. Same thing. That one is already written in a long division form, so we start dividing directly. Now we have 2 digits, so we take 2 digits. It will be 20 divided by 11. Same thing. Cover the last digit, so it will be only 2. Cover the last digit, it will be only 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Then multiply 2 times 11, which is 22. I'm gonna check again, can I subtract that? No, we cannot, because 22 is greater than 20, and we cannot have something like that. Because if I only have 20 pencils, I cannot give you 22 pencils. Since this one is greater than that, that one means our quotient is wrong, and we take 1 from the quotient. So it will be 1 only. And we erase that. You can erase it yourself, but I'm just gonna cross it. Now 1 times 11, which is 11. Then we check again, 20 minus 11. Can we do that? Yes. So we subtract it. That one will be 1. This one will be 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. I'm gonna check again. Is my remainder less than the divisor? 9 is less than 11. So yes. Till now we did it correctly. So we bring down the next digit, which will be 91. Remember, whenever we bring down a digit, we start dividing again. Repeat the steps. So the first step was cover the last digit, 9. Cover the last digit, which will be 1. 9 divided by 1 is 9. Then 9 times 11 is 99. And I'm gonna check again. Can I do it? We cannot. Since we cannot, we take away 1 from the quotient and make it 8. Then erase that also. It will be 8 times 11 now, which is 88. Can I do that? 91 minus 88? Yes, we can. That one will be 11. This one will be 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now, is my remainder less than the divisor? Yes. Do we have anything else to bring down? No. So we are done. The answer will be 18 and the remainder will be 3. Okay, I want you to pause the video and try to do that yourself, because I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. Like we said, we will write it as a long division first. 612 divided by 54. Now 61, we take 2 digits. 61 divided by 54, cover the last digit. 6, cover the last digit. 5. 6 divided by 5. How many 5s do we have inside 6? Or what's the closest multiplication of 5 that's equal or less than 6? Which is 1. 1 times. Now be careful with that. When you cover it, you only cover the last digit for the division, not for the multiplication. Now when we multiply that to both of them. So it will be 1 times 54, which is 54. We subtract it. Since we can do it, 54 is less than 61. I'm gonna take 1 from that. That will be 11. 11 minus 4, 7. And bring the 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes, of course, because 7 is less than 54. Then bring down the next one. Now, same steps. Whenever you bring down, you divide. Last digit. It will be 7 divided by 5, which is 1. 1 times 54, 54. Then we subtract it. This one will be 6. This one will be 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. Is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So our answer is correct till now. Do we have anything else beside the 2 to bring down? No. So we are done. 612 divided by 54. The quotient is 11 and the remainder is 18.